Alright, let's dive into paragraph organization. Now, when we talk about organizing paragraphs, we're essentially talking about how we arrange our ideas in writing. Organizing a paragraph effectively is what makes the content clear and easy to follow for your reader. There are several different patterns of organization, and each one serves a specific purpose, depending on what you're trying to achieve.
Let's look at sequence, or time order. This method is all about presenting events in the order that they happened. You'll use it when writing narratives or explaining processes. Let's say you're describing Alan checking his bike before a ride. You would start with what he did first, maybe checking the tires, then move on to cleaning the chain, and end with him examining the brakes. This pattern is essential for making sure your reader can follow a chronological flow without getting confused about what happened when. Transition words like first, then, and finally are key here to guide the reader through the sequence. This paragraph illustrates the time sequence, or chronological order, patterned by describing a series of actions Alan takes in preparation for his bike ride, with each step occurring in a specific order. Topic sentence. The paragraph begins by setting the scene. Alan is checking his bike before a long ride. This gives the reader context for the upcoming sequence of events. Sequential actions. The body of the paragraph follows a clear time sequence. First, Alan inspects the tires to ensure they are properly inflated. Afterward, he cleans the chain to remove dust or debris. Next, he tests the brakes to make sure they are functioning smoothly. Finally, he adjusts the seat height for comfort. Time markers, words like first, afterward, next, and finally signal the progression of time and guide the reader through each step Alan takes, keeping the sequence clear and logical. Conclusion. By the end of the sequence, everything is in order for Alan's trip, signaling the completion of the process. This time sequence paragraph is effective in showing the chronological steps Alan follows, making it easy for the reader to follow along as each task builds upon the previous one.